Hello everyone, welcome to ixamBee. So today we are going to analyze the NABFID IT Analyst exam, which was conducted on 8th June 2025. It means yesterday, and we will going to discuss about the memory based question so that you will get an idea about the exam difficulty level. And also, if you are preparing for this exam or planning to appear for this exam for the next year, then this video will be helpful for you. So based on the feedback from the candidates, the overall difficulty level of the exam was easy to moderate. And if we break down the exam into this section, so let's analyze each of them. So if you are talking about the professional knowledge, so these were the memory based questions we have received. That first question is from the MongoDB, and the next question is from the rearrangement of the SQL statements, like which command will come first in the ascending order. And one question is from NABFID protocol. The working of the protocol was being asked. And one question is from the ARP protocol, that in which layer ARP protocol is used. There were 2 to 3 questions were asked from DNS. One was related to spoofing and one was related to structure of the DNS. And there were 2 questions were asked from the ER model. First was the basic question about the ER model, and the second question was related to derived attribute. The question was how we represent the derived attribute in the ER model. And there was one question from the cybersecurity related to BYOD security issue. BYOD is basically bring your own device. That policy allowed employee to use their personal devices for work related activities. So security issues was being asked in the exam. From the data structure, there were one question related to the bubble short complexity, and the next question is related to IP addresses tunneling, and the next question was from DBMS again. It was from transaction control. The dirty read problem is being asked. There were 2 to 3 questions asked from the cloud computing. One question was based on the cloud architecture. Then again, next question is asked from the cybersecurity. The question was based on the PGP protocol. Then DBMS, there was first enough, that was the very basic question, and the other question was asked from the operating system, that was the process scheduling. So here you can see that as we have already told you in many videos, there were few important subjects like DBMS, cybersecurity, cloud computing, networking and data structure. So almost 50% questions asked from these subjects only, these 5 subjects. If you are talking about the reasoning and quant, then there is one question from seating arrangement, and one question is from directions, and for quant there is one question from ratio and proportions, and one question is from percentage. And if you are talking about the English section, then there was no RC is being asked, but the mostly asked question in the English was statement corrections questions. And in DI, there was a simple DI is asked, and the pie chart related DI was asked. So based on the analysis, the exam was easy to moderate level. So cutoff can be high for this exam. And if you are preparing for this type of exam, then you should focus on the building your strong foundation on the IT concepts, including the subjects like DBMS, cybersecurity, cloud computing, networking, data structure. And for the other subjects like reasoning, you need to more focus on puzzles, syllabus, sitting arrangements, ratios. And for English, you can focus on the grammar and vocabulary practice. So this is all about the analysis of the NABFID IT Analyst exam. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. We will try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you. Prepare 50% faster with ixamBee.